Okay, for today's experiment, what we need is an empty bottle, water, which is covered in this case to be better visible, and hot water. So I put the hot water inside the bottle, I shake it, so every part of the bottle to get hot, and then tear out the water, so the gas inside is warm. So if it's warm, the air go out, and the pressure inside drops when it cools down. So I start to cool down, the pressure drops, and the atmospheric pressure push water until the atmospheric pressure is equal to the pressure inside the bottle. So I'll switch it over here and try it faster. Okay, so I put a cold bottle next to it to speed up the process. So you have to be careful when you pour too much hot water, then the bottle becomes hot, and then you have to wait longer time to cool down and to suck water from the plate. So you have to make a balance, not too hot, not too cold, because if it's a cold, then they will not suck water from the plate. Okay.